Have you ever wondered how a giant insurance company can rake in billions while so many of its customers feel left out in the cold? Today, I'm diving into the story of Allstate, one of America's biggest insurance names, and the growing accusations that they're playing a rigged game. Let's start with Allstate's claims handling. Picture this: you've paid your premiums for years thinking you're covered. Then, disaster strikes, a car accident, a storm, something that should be straightforward, but instead of support, you're met with a wall of bureaucracy. That's the reality for thousands. Allstate's been accused of running a delay, deny, and defend playbook. Simply put, they make it really hard for you to get your claim paid. Low settlement offers, tons of paperwork, and way too many claims just outright denied, sometimes for reasons that feel downright flimsy. So, how did it get this way? Well, reports say that back in the 1990s, Allstate brought in consultants from McKinsey Co to optimize their process. The result? A system designed to pay out less, drag things out, and honestly wear people down, all in the name of profit. And it works for them. Allstate's profits have soared while policyholders are left fighting for every dollar. But it doesn't stop at claims. There's another bombshell: data privacy. Allstate and its sidekick company, Arity, are now facing lawsuits for allegedly scooping up your phone's location data, sometimes without you even knowing. Picture this: you download a seemingly harmless app like Life 360, but behind the scenes, your movements are tracked and sold off. Not just for marketing, but to help Allstate decide how much to charge you, or even if they'll cover you at all. That's not just creepy, it raises huge questions about consent and fairness. And then there's the money side. Allstate is one of the priciest auto insurers out there, but when you try to figure out why your rates are so high, you're met with a black box. Critics say their algorithms are a mystery, and the lack of transparency is a red flag. Unsatisfied customers? There are thousands. Complaints to the Better Business Bureau and state regulators pile up. Lawsuits and even regulatory fines follow. People describe dealing with Allstate as exhausting, unfair, even infuriating. Now, to be fair, not every customer has a bad experience. Some genuinely like their service, especially on homeowners' claims. But that positive feedback is often drowned out by a tidal wave of frustration. So here's the bottom line. Allstate's business model has raised some serious eyebrows, from shady claims tactics, to questionable data practices, to sky-high prices and poor service. Is it fraud? That's for a court to decide. But the questions keep piling up, and the voices demanding accountability are only getting louder. Stay informed, ask questions, and read the fine print, because when it comes to insurance, the devil really is in the details.